How did this project get started?
It got started by scientists were making bags for birds, and the birds were getting out too easily, so they asked us to make new bags and with better material to hold the birds in better.
So the ones they were using were those commercial ones they had bought from some supply company? We'll check with
The singular.
Okay, well, I think you know the answer to that because they sent us a sample bag. But we looked at the different sample bags. Does anybody remember what the sample bags were that the scientists sent us? Were they ordering those from a company? Or were they specially making them to improve them?
Especially making them to improve them.
We're specially making them. They were just buying them from a company. And they weren't strong enough, and the birds were getting out, and they'd tear apart after they washed them.
And Grace, you two were at the beginning of this project for making bird bags, right? Mm-hmm. So, would you like to tell me how the project got started? The bags.
Well, some of the things that they told us was wrong with the bag was that like the material was getting it was ripping and stuff. So we decided to find a better material to use. Mm-hmm. So we did, and then we also heard that they were escaping through the top. Mm-hmm. So we decided to make it stronger poles so they couldn't push out. So we added I forgot what they're called, but those pull ties.
Drawstrings? Yeah.
Yeah. So we added one of those.
Yeah. And why do they need to be able to wash the bags?
Because maybe the birds will have feces in the bag, which would not be very sanitary, and also it may keeps them from ripping and stuff.
Yeah, and also birds can get infected, could pass diseases around, right? So that's why I guess they needed to be able to wash them. And what was the problem with the other bags when they washed them?
The stitching would come apart, and they were just
the string that they used to pull it would fray.
Oh, well, they weren't buying a very good product. So you've come up with a new bird bag product. That's excellent.
And then you just pull it tight, lock that down,
And then it can be reused. Well, you can change that.
and these can be washed because theirs was the store-bought were falling apart.
To calm the birds down, we place them in these bags here where they can easily breathe, but it's dark and comfortable in there. And so we carry them back here, and when we're ready to band them, we pull them out of the bags. But these are what the Tracy's students up there at Gwin Elementary made for us. And I guess that's part of your story.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot better. These are all soil sample bags, and that's what we've been using, and these are all worn out now, and so these are actually a lot better.